Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on diagnosing CPU short circuit issues in the Surface Pro 5. Today, we'll go through the essential steps to identify and troubleshoot this problem effectively. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Ensure you have a clean, static-free workspace. Begin by powering off the device completely and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the device's kickstand using the Torx T5 screwdriver. There are several screws located on the back cover. Make sure to keep them organized, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious and take your time to avoid damaging any internal components. After removing the back cover, you will have access to the internal components of the Surface Pro 5. At this point, visually inspect the CPU area for any signs of damage or burnt components. If you notice any burnt marks, it's likely that you have a short circuit. To confirm, you can use a multimeter to test continuity across the CPU. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's clean the internal components. Using isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush, gently clean around the CPU and other components to remove any dust or debris that might be causing issues. This process is crucial as it helps to ensure that your device functions optimally. Now, if you've identified that the CPU is indeed shorted, you will need to consider your repair options. Unfortunately, a short circuit in the CPU often means that the component is non-reparable. If you're unsure about the repair process, we recommend reaching out for professional assistance. If you're located in the United States and need help, remember we also offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, just a seamless service right to your door. Before proceeding with any repair, it's essential to get a quote. Always request a quote before repair so that you know what to expect in terms of cost. This way, you can make an informed decision on how to proceed. After evaluating your options, if you decide to move forward, carefully replace the back cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is snug but not overly tight to avoid damaging the casing. Finally, power on your device and check if the issue persists. If the device still does not function properly, it may be time to consult with a technician. Remember, seeking professional help can save you time and potential frustration. If you have any questions about the process or require further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you with any technical issues you might face with your Surface Pro 5. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.